It's only beginning to find release. Oh, the time has come for my dreams to be heard. They will not be pushed aside or worse into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. I am alone on the crossroads. I'm on a home in my own home, and I try to see what's on my mind. You should have known. Oh, now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I'm following the voice you gave to me. But now I gotta find my own. You should have listened. There is someone here inside, someone I thought had died so long ago. Oh, I'm screaming out for my dreams will be heard. They will not be pushed aside or worse into your own. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. I am alone on the crossroads. I'm on a home in my own home, and I try to see what's on my mind. You should have known. Oh, now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I'm following the voice you gave to me. But now I gotta find. I don't know where I belong, but I'll be moving on. If you don't, if you won't listen to the song here in my heart, a melody I'll start, but I will complete. Oh, now I'm done believing you. You don't know what I'm feeling. I'm more than what you made of me. I'm following the voice you gave to me. But now I gotta find my own, my
Oh my god, you sound just like I do when I sing that song. It is such a big song to take on, and you smashed it. Literally only me and you could sing it like that. That's amazing. Well done, babe. So weird.
What a way to audition. That felt like it was an audition. I feel like you've been doing this ages, and I was at a show, and then that's not an easy song to sing, and you smashed that. You really smashed that. I can't fault you. To me, that was a perfect audition. That was really fab. I like how passionate and open you were, not with not just only your body language, but emotionally. You come across as very vulnerable, and I like that. I like that side, and the variation in your dynamics, bringing it up and then bringing it back down, that was lush. And also your mic control as well, that was really good as well. You pulled away at the right times and you bring it back at the right times as well. And your stage presence was amazing, and also your outfit as well. That's a baby. I love your outfit. Well done, that was fab.
Thanks, so Kelly.
Yeah, I think that was probably a perfect song choice for an audition for you, because it kind of showed off everything you can do. You know, your range, the amount of power you've got, how controlled you are, especially on your riffs. It showed off your agility and your versatility. I love how you sort of changed the second chorus by taking it up into a riff. And I think you've got the potential to be really creative with songs that are thrown at you. Listen, is it? You can't really do much with Listen, you know, but you still manage to add these little twists in. So I would be really excited to see what you can do with a song where you can go mad, you know, and you can really interpret it in your own way and sort of put a riff here and change the melody there, because I really do think that you have that level of creativity, and it's quite exciting to see. So I'm interested in what else you're going to bring to the competition, because I do think you have heaps of potential. Well done.
Thanks, Kel. Joey?
Rhiannon, as you're saying to use pages, right? Yeah, you know, and I, like I said, I can only be honest. Like, you know, I've just watched you there, and I'm not too sure if you are fully aware of who you are as an artist yet. But that's not a problem. But I can just sense you're finding yourself, because these little things you've done in there was you doing your own thing. It was you saying, I'm going to do this, and I want you to take advantage of that. Because what I wanted to do from you, before I carry on, I just want to make a quick comment. From my perspective, I believe in my art, from what I just seen, that was probably 15% of your ability, all right? And that's how good I think you are. Because that was exceptional, and I'm sure everyone can agree in the room, that was fantastic. But I truly believe that's only like 15% of what you can do. And that goes to show that if you can do what you just done, what can you actually do when you're at 100%? Do you get what I mean? And that's where I feel. I'm feeling a really good energy as an artist from it. But I'm also watching it when I'm thinking, right, this girl is still finding who she actually is. She's exploring different styles, different techniques. And I believe you could probably do it all. You could go from theatre to pop to classical, whatever. I believe you're capable of it. I can see it is in your mind. But whatever it is you want to be as an artist, I want to see that. And if this is how you feel, like you come into this because this is the sort of place you see yourself as an artist, that's where I feel you sit. I feel like I can hear you as a pop artist that's in the charts now, this sort of currentness. Focus on that. Keep that in mind, all right? And just keep doing your own thing with them songs. Whatever songs you take on, I mean, that really worked well, because when I saw the track and I saw it as a piano, I was concerned because it's such a powerful song. I was thinking, is it going to lose the guts at the end because it's just a piano? But what you did with that, you really brought it to life as a simple acoustic version, and you still kept the guts in it, and it really, really worked. Honestly, I think you've got massive potential. And I think if you really work at what I'm saying by you now and really be yourself, don't feel like you've got to categorize yourself. Do what you want to do. If you're at home and you go, do you know what, I'm going to try this, do it. And do whatever you want to do with it. Because the more you do that, the more Rhiannon's going to come to life as herself, as an artist. But I think you've got exceptional potential in this whole thing. I really believe that. You should be really proud of what you just done. That was another level for me, another level completely. Well done.